Hello, my name is Phelan Kane. I'm a music producer, educator and creative coder based in Berlin. In the Learn Max for Live course, we'll be exploring how we can use Max for Live to develop interesting devices you can use in your own music. I'm an Ableton certified trainer and a Max certified trainer, and we'll explore how we can use Max for Live to build your own plugins which you can utilise in your music. This will allow you to create interesting, novel things to make your music stand out from the crowd. We'll explore the landscape of Max for Live and see how we can use objects to patch together different functions and elements of our device. We'll explore software synthesis and also see how we can use Max MIDI effects and Max audio effects to build interesting, novel plugins for your music. Come join me on the Learn Max for Live course.